You search for how to buy shares of Golden Heaven Group Holdings, a hospitality and lifestyle company listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker GDHG. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy GDHG, you need a brokerage account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker GDHG to locate the listing. Choose the result that matches Golden Heaven Group Holdings on NASDAQ. On the asset page, review the company's summary and the price chart to understand recent movement. Confirm the page shows Golden Heaven Group Holdings and the GDHG ticker before proceeding. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, your order will queue as a pending market order, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Once executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Check the description for the eToro link if you want to explore the same broker interface shown in this walkthrough.